There's a man over here in the woods. How do you feel right now?
Never felt better. Ecstatic.
It's a lie.
Ecstatic.
All right, everybody. It's me and the Hebrew Hammer again today. We're about to start Condor Peak Trail. It's going to be about 16 miles with a little over 4,000 feet elevation gain. And we're just getting started. It's about 7:30 a.m. And we're going to cook some super good food for you today. How do you feel about today?
Ecstatic.
We're both super tired. Only had about 4 hours of sleep. And not feeling good about 16 miles. We were contemplating about doing something a lot easier the whole way here. So, yeah, we'll let you know how it goes, and we'll see you in a little bit.
That's usually paid for content.
So we're about 2.5 miles in right now. Condor Peak Trail.
2 3/4, pal.
2.5. I dragged the Hebrew Hammer up here. And he's got blisters. Breaking in some new boots. Brand new leather boots.
They're not brand new.
On a 16-mile trail.
Someone's got to do it.
This guy's crazy. What are those things? Thank God.
They work like a charm.
Thank God. But it's beautiful out here. Huh?
I had blisters on one of our last hikes we did. Chino Hills? Something like
Yeah.
that. Remember how bad my blisters were?
Yeah. He just did Ice House Canyon about a week ago in the snow. It's pretty cold, huh?
It was, yeah,
Yeah.
a little colder than today.
Right now,
40 degrees.
yeah, right now it's about 50 degrees. No, 60 maybe?
Yes.
50 to 60 degrees. We're the only ones here. Super nice trail. That's Mount Lukens over there. about halfway to Condor Peak, and we're making pit stop number 3 for the Hebrew Hammers blisters. It's beautiful out here though. We got some local chemtrails today. Mount Lukens. Alright, so we're about a mile and a half from the top of Condor Peak here. We just have to go up this gnarly trail. But the Hebrew Hammer here is having mega blister problems.
And socks.
So we're gonna see if we make it up there. I think we will.
Yeah, we're going.
Yeah. But this trail is pretty tough. I like it. Hebrew Hammer, I think, is at a 5 out of 10 right now.
Like a 1.
A 1 out of 10, everybody.
If I wasn't in
Wow.
if I wasn't in pain, I'm in pain though.
Yeah.
I sound like a victim.
It's a good spot to get rescued.
Reason for rescue. Blisters.
I think we're about 6 miles in. Alright guys, we're at the last half mile here, and it looks like it's just a scramble up this ridge, and it looks like a gnarly boy. Oh my god. I don't know if that angle does it justice, but it's steep. I know we're gonna go for it, so we'll see how it goes here.
you, Joe.
Here, that's mine. Next plate.
Hey, bro.
Why are you holding it like that? Is yours hot?
Lukewarm. Thank you. It's great, actually.
Alright guys, we were all the way up there. That's right where we cooked. Look how many clouds are around us now.